For the second example, I'm gonna try to use triangles and maybe a few circles. And again, just like the previous assignment, you want to draw through and construct your shapes. The other thing I want you to focus on is the emphasis of overlaps. So since I want to make the triangle stand in front of the circle, I want to make sure that the lines are a little bit thicker on the triangle. And even though the construction lines from the circle are still showing, when you thicken up your line quality, they start to kind of just disappear into the background. I'm going to do the same with the circles here on the left. Definitely play with different sizes as well. So I have a medium circle in the front, a smaller one in the middle. Then I'm constructing a larger circle, but I want this one to sit in the back. And again, just using the lessons of overlaps, making the lines thicker as they show through. And as things go back, we want to make sure I don't emphasize the lines I don't want to. As you can see here, I'm taking my time and planning things out a little bit. I'm not stressing too much about certain things, but it's kind of like a puzzle game where you're trying to put certain shapes um, higher or lower, bigger or smaller. That way I can come up with something with a lot of variety. One thing too, when you are cropping a shape, I would highly recommend drawing outside of the frame lightly. That way you get a truer shape, just like with our exercises. I use ballpoint pen in this demo. However, you can use graphite if you feel like you need to erase some lines instead of making some darker. I do recommend easing up on things first. Um, or you can just use your favorite tool. The thing about design is you want to make sure you have a tool that you're comfortable with. That way you can just worry about problem solving. And again, just do your best on this. In later weeks, we will talk more about design and composition. But for this one, just have fun, try your best, and stick to the exercises that we've done this week.